Celebrated the Muslim Educational Conference organized by Maulana Azad Vichar Manch in Mumbai. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Ansari termed education as the most important socio-economic challenge for the Muslim community. Lagging behind for the Muslim community and minorities.
Listen, there are many factors, but the sense of insecurity and the post and the baggage of the partition of the country is one of the very once you keep away from the mainstream, you lag behind in every sector of life, and the education was one of the major areas. And as you quoted the Sajjad Committee report, the situation came to such a pass that there are only 4% graduates within the minority community, within the Muslim minority community, which is abysmal, which is tragic. And as they
that is supposed not to happen, and rural areas are expected to be like lagging behind, but urban areas lag behind.
There are two factors. One is the economic factor.
Right.
The minorities, because of the riots, because of various other discriminations, and
lag behind. Muslims basically prefer it is like madarsas for the education. It is widely speculated. It's thought that the madarsas lag behind the modern education and scientific education, which could also be possibly the reason for lagging behind.
No, that's not the fact. Sajjad Committee has broken this myth,
right?
Because the Sajjad Committee says that only 4% of the Muslim population goes to madrasa.
Right.
This is a myth that has been broken by the Sajjad Committee report. They want to go.
Short of time, so we'll have to stop here. But thank you for joining us in our studios and giving all those views on the minority affairs and how they could be brought down in the growth story and for the inclusive growth.
Thank you,
Mr. Raga, for joining us.
My pleasure.
And here we'll be slipping into another short commercial break, but lots more on the other side. Do stay with us. Extended the police custody of Chennai Super Kings Chief Executive Officer Gurunath Mayappan till May 31st. Mayappan has been arrested by the Mumbai police for his alleged involvement in betting. Last Friday, the court has sent him to 5-day police custody. News at this hour. Thanks for watching. Namaskar.